Hi everybody and welcome. Today I'm going to tell you how to add your own business to the Google Maps application. So if you have created your business profile, you have to at first hold the finger on the address where you want to add your company address. Here, as you can see, we have add a missing place. You have to tap that or go back and tap add your business to maps. It depends if you have these two buttons or only one. Here, as you can see, we have start building your profile, business profile. Here we have enter business name. Here we have business category. So for example, let's like this. Do you want to add location customers can visit like a store or office? No. Something like that. We have to just add our profile. And after that, this whole process, we can add, as you can see, our business address here, and it will be all. The Google will verify your address and your company after 2 days, 1 to 2 days, business days of course. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.